Hello students, you are watching SNS World YouTube channel. I am Satyanar Saha. I am going to teach English grammar. You look at the whiteboard. What is it? It is a pot. If this pot fill up with water, if you pour water into the pot, then what will happen? Overflow. That means if pot is empty, then if we pour water into the pot, then it will be filled. So open-minded. Now I am going to start preposition. Preposition, position, means it shows the position of noun. And what is the function of preposition? Let us start. What we learn in this lesson? What is preposition? Kinds of preposition. And its uses. These things. Then let us start. I am going to write some sentence. I saw the teacher in the school. He is very kind to us. We are sitting on the chairs. Here, what are the preposition? In, to, on. These are the prepositions. The teacher and the school, both are noun. The preposition in used between two nouns, the teacher and the school. Here it is adjective and it is pronoun. Here it is verb and noun. So you know that how the preposition is used, and preposition is very vital in English grammar. You get questions up to 11th, 12th class also. Then what we understand about the preposition? A preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation with noun, pronoun or other words. A preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation with noun, pronoun or other words. These things you keep in mind. Then we know about kinds of preposition. What are the kinds of preposition or types of preposition? First one, simple preposition. In simple preposition, you know that in, at, of, these are the simple preposition. Next one, compound preposition. In compound preposition, into, inside, outside, upon, like that. Double preposition. Outside of, out of, from behind, like that. And prepositional phrase. In front of, by dint of, like that. These are the kinds of preposition. So next we are going to about preposition of place. Preposition of place in, at, where we use. Preposition of place, preposition of time, those things we going to discuss. Preposition of time. Preposition of time, you know that preposition of time, you use at, in, on, at. I wake up at 6 o'clock. That's at that time. In means before, and on at that time. And preposition of time divided into means point of time, and another one period of time. I have been living here for 5 years. Here 4 means period of time. I am tired because I have been working since 7 o'clock in the morning. Like that, since, for, these are preposition of time. At, in, on we use days, on Sunday, on Monday, like that. In, year, in 1947, like that. Then place, in moment, what type of preposition we use? This place to this place. A person is going to school. On the way, at. I met a friend at bus stand. And many complicated things I will discuss later. I am giving you some questions. You write answer on the comment box. Later I will give the answer. First question. I arrived dash 10:30 p.m. She was teaching us this 5:30 a.m. They are sitting desk the class. The sun is this our head at noon. The aeroplane is flying dash the roof. The cat is sitting dash the roof. She cut the tree dash X. The table is made dash wood. I go to school dash bus. She is on dash ice cream. Thank you. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information.